Who would dare not to become a millionaire? The 2021 latest statistics show that there are 46.8 million US dollars millionaires worldwide. 40% of them live in the US. This means that more than 7% of US adult population are millionaires. The second place belongs to China with 10% of world millionaires, following by Japan with 6% of all, and United Kingdom and Germany each with 5%, and France with 4% of all millionaires of our planet. However, if you want to know which city is inhabited by most millionaires, it is Tokyo. Check out Ken Honda speaking about happy money. Another study shows that over 1700 people are becoming new millionaires every day. Isn't it great? I think this is an opportunity for anyone willing to take disciplined actions. How to become a millionaire? Well, it's all about solving problems. Get notification anytime I upload new video if you subscribe to my channel right now. Let's take a look at 15 strategies how to make millions. What do you think is number 1? Let me know in the comments below. I will reply to your comment.
Number 15. Get a lucrative contract.
Doctors, lawyers, and top management earn on average over $150,000 per year. You can double or even triple that amount if you are an outstanding professional. It's estimated that 70%, especially high-paying jobs, will stay as remote work after pandemic. Be good at a job that pays well. If you know what you are doing, have total alignment of discipline, getting things done, then the road to becoming a millionaire is pretty straightforward. We all have seen it many times. Sales offer the highest paid job with the lowest entry barriers. You will make a lot of money no matter where you are if you enjoy selling and have a business coaching.
Number 14. Work for Billionaire.
Time is the most precious source. Rich people value time above everything else. They value people who can save time for them. The last thing you want to do is to spam the hell out of the people with how you have this idea that will change the world. Roughly 1 in 5 millionaires work for someone else, and that's how they got rich. If this sounds like a plan for you, I recommend you find yourself a mentorship. These people are open to helping you grow. They provide you with guidance and opportunities to which you wouldn't have access otherwise. If they trust you enough, they will bring you into their organizations and make sure you're being taken care of.
Number 13. Create a blog.
It's a basic on how to make money online. You can start as soon as you pick a niche for you. Not so many, but there are a bunch of people who succeed with blogging and got to millionaires. Options are, it will become highly popular and you can sell it for millions, or you can expand from it. Consequently, you can start public speaking, coaching business, or mentoring for people who resonate with you. As you go through this list, you'll find also passive income strategies like creating online courses or affiliate marketing to add to your income streams. And as you are building your social capital, it is more likely you get also other interesting opportunities for cooperation. Remember this, if you like your business to keep growing, you will need to delegate your task, so make it scalable.
Number 12. Write several ebooks.
To become a New York Times best-selling author, you only need to sell 10,000 books in 1 week. This is all going through traditional publishing companies. However, you can self-publish your writings via Kindle Direct Publishing and become the next success story. There are no initial costs. Google it if this is what excites you.
Number 11. License a patent.
Another creative way to add value to the world is by being an inventor, designer, or engineer. If you can figure out a way to solve a problem better than what's out there already, you could be sitting on a gold mine. Submitting an intellectual property can be expensive. There are certain ways to protect yourself even without having an internationally issued patent. You need to document how your invention works in extreme detail, have that in writing, and burn onto a medium. Mail it in a sealed envelope to yourself. When the envelope arrives back, it should contain the date and stamp of a governmental institution. Never break the seal. If it comes to it, this is your undeniable proof that you were the first one to figure this out, and rights should be awarded to you in a patent case or at least end up in a highly lucrative settlement.
Number 10. Make money on YouTube.
YouTube has reached 120 million people watching on TV screens per month. Who would think you could become a millionaire by going viral on YouTube? In the last few years, all of this has changed. Naturally, it depends on the kind of video, but on average it happens as soon as you hit between 500 million and 1 billion views. According to Forbes, only 9-year-old Ryan KG is the 2020 top-earning YouTube star, bringing in an estimated $29.5 million and 12.2 billion views. Over 22,000 YouTube channels are having over 1 million subscribers. Additionally, you do not even need to show your face, but create a cash cow YouTube channel. Check out Bart in the links below this video. Just imagine how many problems you can solve at scale.
Number 9. Master your live streaming.
I bet you have already heard about big amounts of donations that people receive while live streaming their shows. It seems like some people enjoy making other people happy. However, this is less factor of surprise. Generally, live streaming is going mainstream, and some might even say it already has. You can get money from subscribers as well as individual donations from viewers. On the other hand, there is an emerging trend that combines e-commerce with live streaming. In China, they are already doing pretty big amounts on that. Amazon has already launched it, but it seems not to be so hype yet.
Number 8. Create an app or an online game.
There is still a ton of money to be made with apps if you know what you're doing and can offer a valuable service. The problem with apps is that unless the user feels the need to return to the app frequently, you've already lost. The app ecosystem has evolved in the past couple of years. The secret to most apps has been the ability to bring in additional revenue within the app. On the other hand, make an app to solve a problem like Uber. Online gaming is one of the most lucrative businesses on the internet.
Number 7. Create a monthly subscription service.
If you like to gain $1 million with a subscription, it is easy math. There are plenty of combinations you can come up with if you like to play with numbers first. One piece of advice: this business model is more likely to be successful for established brands and SaaS experts. If you are the one and want to create your own branded digital products to sell online, check out well-established platforms like Thinkific. Click the link below to get 1 month free. Additionally, you do not even need to sell your thing. Find established affiliate networks like Digistore24 and they will be more than happy to sell it for you.
Number 6. Start your own brand with a dropshipping.
It is a very fun and interesting business model where you find a supplier, someone who can create, package and deliver a product on your behalf. Your job is to bring in the sales. So this model is cool for anyone who knows how to drive traffic.
Number 5. Start a small business and keep growing.
Although most of the ideas mentioned here are super specific, the way most people end up millionaires is by creating a small business and growing it. I know it sounds a tad more general, but this compromises the hustler mindset which is focused on growth. Starting a new business is always a challenge, but the path is more or less the same no matter which business you choose. It all starts with solving a problem, figuring out how to get paid, and then bringing in people so you can focus on what is important for the business to grow. Everyone has a couple of business ideas in their heads. It's just a matter of implementation.
Number 4. Put money in index funds.
The power of compound interest affects the acceleration of wealth growth. Index funds are the most interesting because you cover the most interesting companies in the market with one shot. For instance, index fund like S&P 500 is a fund made out of the top 500 companies in the US. If a company is not performing well, it's been taken out and replaced by a new worthy company. For the past 19 years, the S&P 500 generated on average of 10% yearly return.
Number 3. Purchase a franchise.
Let's say you don't want to start building a business from scratch. You just want a simple way to get into a lucrative business. Somebody else has already optimized it for you. Become a franchisee and all you need is just to make sure things keep on moving the way they should. Think of McDonald's or Starbucks. There are two types of costs you need to know about: a standard franchisee fee and a percentage of business you are generating. In exchange for this money, the company provides all the tools you need to get the business up and running. Speaking of numbers, McDonald's would cost you $45,000 to start and 4% of monthly turnovers.
Number 2. Manage a leasing company.
If you are a certain type of person who is outstanding at asset management, then there are pretty many opportunities for you out there. I will skip all commonly known asset management opportunities that work for decades or even centuries. What I want to point attention to are companies that are involved in a shared economy. I have seen many young people doing this starting from scratch. Buying and renting properties through Airbnb, buying a fleet of cars and renting it to drivers. And soon within this decade, it will add to having a fleet of electric cars, including autopilot, and put them into the network to be used by passengers.
Number 1. Do an ICO.
For the past couple of years, crypto has been the wild wide west of money. The amount of people who go rich fast on crypto went crazy. If you're not familiar with the crypto terminology, initial coin offerings, is also known as ICOs, are an alternative form of crowdfunding, where a company issues token at a discounted price so they can use an early funding to create a digital service that will run on said tokens. If the product is successful, your initial tokens could skyrocket in value based on the demand for them. I would not recommend investing in other people's ICOs unless you know them to be trustworthy and have a solid team behind them. Instead, create your own blockchain-based company and seek private investors to back it up. I hope you enjoy my 15 smart money tactics to make money online 2021, and I'll see you living delightful freedom. Thank you for watching so far. Please like this video and comment below. Subscribe to my channel and check other videos. Take care and thank you.